My name's Patrick Volkman, and I have just graduated from the wood manufacturing program at Fox Valley Tech. My mom one day was looking at Fox Valley Tech's website and happened to find this class here. And I was like, yeah, that would be a cool class. When I got here and toured this shop for the first time and saw how big it was and how many different tools there were, I was still nervous to start. Within the first week, really changed how I felt about college. Within the first week, we're out here hand tooled. Within the first month, you're on a lot of the machines learning how to do that lumber milling process. I was very surprised how quickly we got into doing all that and how fast the class moved without really feeling like you were rushed to get stuff done. The tools here are a lot different and nicer than what anything you would have at a high school. Oh, what is all this? And how am I going to learn all this? Mark and Glenn are probably the best instructors that I've had in my whole woodworking career. Getting both views from them on different ways you can do them and being able to find what works best for you has really been helpful. When you pick it up, it's just this rough piece of lumber that doesn't look like it's worth anything. And in a couple weeks, it's this beautiful nightstand, or having it look like amazing and knowing that you can give that to someone and sell that to someone and they'll keep it in their family for years and years. So just seeing that start to finish all the way through and doing that all on your own is really what I like about it. If you really have a passion for woodworking and want to do it full time, you definitely need to take this course. Once you graduate, you can almost immediately have an in at some shop somewhere working full time with what you love doing.